Hello, welcome to the channel of the Political Academy. My name is Joost Smits. On this channel I want to talk about and demonstrate some of the findings of my research on elections. Most of you may think of elections having to do with politics and politicians. If you have a good message, voters will vote for you and you may even win elections. However, that is not entirely the case because of the mechanics behind elections. On this channel I will show what is going on. The examples I use will be mainly from the Netherlands and some from Belgium, but the mechanics apply everywhere. Therefore, these videos are in English, just like my science papers, which you can find on the link below and in the description.